with there and shift our focus to some more news coming in, where the ongoing row over BJP's Avinash Gehlot is all set to deepen as former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and senior Congress leader Sachin Pilot plan to join the party's protest against the Rajasthan minister, who stirred a controversy with his remarks, which was seen as a dig at former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Congress MLAs are currently holding a protest march towards the State Assembly in Jaipur. Rajasthan Minister Avinash Gehlot, while speaking in the Assembly during the discussion on the government's Lakhpati Didi schemes, referred to previous schemes undertaken and I'm just going to quote him over here. "Your Dadi's name" is what he said. This follows a ruckus by Congress MLAs resulting in the suspension of 6 of the party's legislatures for the entire budget session. Those are the visuals that we are talking about at this point of time. A massive protest there taking place in Jaipur as we speak. Meanwhile, let's listen in to that controversial remark that we are referring to, which has been made by Avinash Gehlot.
पिछले बजट के अंदर भी 23-24 में आपने हर बार की तरह अपनी दादी इंदिरा गांधी जी के नाम पर इस योजना का नाम रखा था कांग्रेस ने, लेकिन घोषणा इसलिए पूरी नहीं हो पाई।
दादी क्या है?
इसलिए पूरी नहीं हो पाई थी। इसलिए पूरी नहीं हो पाई थी।
मंत्री एक कोई बवाल है, बकवास करवा रहे हैं, बकवास है।
पिछली सरकार के समय हॉस्टल में 1 रुपया प्रावधान नहीं हुआ,
और माफी मांगे।
1 रुपए का प्रावधान नहीं हुआ था। 1 रुपए का प्रावधान वर्किंग वुमेन हॉस्टल पर नहीं हुआ था। हमने 165 करोड़ रुपए बाल विकास केंद्र सरकार को भेजा है। केंद्र सरकार ने हमसे मांगा है।
All right, so those were the statements that we were referring to, and now subsequently there is a massive protest that has been staged by the Congress in Jaipur. Those are the visuals that we are tracking for you. If not thousands, then hundreds of people are certainly there. They have the national flag in their hands. You can also of course see police over there barricading the area, and of course lots of developments taking place at this point of time. My colleague Razullah joins us on the broadcast, and I believe he's there at the location where this protest is taking place. Razullah, over to you. क्या स्थिति है वहाँ पे? लोगों की डिमांड्स क्या है? कितने लोग हैं वहाँ पे? आई एम अज्यूमिंग वहाँ पे hundreds and thousands of लोग तो आ गए होंगे अभी तक।
बिल्कुल सही है। राजधानी जयपुर की बात की जाए तो जिस तरीके से
आज को लेकर प्रदर्शन का ऐलान किया गया था, जिसके बाद जहां एक तरफ सुबह से लगातार विधानसभा के अंदर गतिरोध लगातार जारी है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ अगर राजधानी जयपुर के सहकार मार्ग यानी विधानसभा के बाहर की बात की जाए तो आप तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से जो कांग्रेस पार्टी की पदाधिकारी है वो आज तमाम आलाधिकारी है, वो तमाम आलाधिकारी यहाँ पर तमाम लोगों को रोके हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। उसके अलावा एसटीएफ की जवानों की जो तैनाती है वो मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं। वो जो बैरिकेडिंग ये मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, इस बैरिकेडिंग लगाकर इन तमाम लोगों को जो रोकने का प्रयास है वो लगातार सुबह 11 बजे से जारी है। जिस तरीके से भी कुछ युवा आक्रोशित हो गए थे और विधानसभा कूच के लिए यहाँ से जा रहे थे, इस दौरान इन तमाम लोगों को यहाँ पर रोक लिया गया। फिलहाल कहा जा रहा है कि जो यहाँ मेरे पीछे जो सभा चल रही है, इस सभा में पहले नेता प्रतिपक्ष की तरफ मिली
Okay, while Razullah fixes his connection over there, I'm going to quickly pose another question. Again, we can see the number of people who are there in Jaipur right now. You can see, of course, if not thousands, then hundreds of people are certainly over there just by the visuals that we are looking at. Razullah, give us an understanding on the number of people who are there right now. What exactly are they demanding? How many security police personnel have been deployed? How is all of this being managed? Okay, all right. Connection issue over there. We're going to quickly try to sort that out. But for just a minute, I'm going to let you viewers take a look at these visuals. They speak for themselves. Of course, there was a statement that was made by Avinash Gehlot talking about the schemes. There was a conversation on the Lakhpati Didi schemes, and then he did rake former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's name during the session, and he referred to her as Dadi. So that's of course the controversy that we are referring to at this point of time. All right, we're going to leave it there and we're going to shift our focus to some more news coming in.